What's your full name?
My name is Akramul Haq. You can prefer to call me Akramul.
Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I study at Southeast University in major of BBA. I am a student at Rahat English Care. Rahat English Care is the best coaching center, Dhaka.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black because it suits me and makes me happy.
Has your favorite color changed since your childhood?
No, my childhood favorite color black. Then right now my favorite color black.
And what is the most famous color in your country?
I think in our country most of the people like black because black is makes me everything.
Do you like shopping?
Definitely, I also like shopping. Whenever I feel bored, then I go to shoppings and I buy a new clothes.
What's your favorite shopping mall?
My favorite shopping mall is Bosundara City Shopping Complex.
Sundara City Complex.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
I always definitely favor friends.
How do you spend your leisure time?
In my free time, I go to outside with my friends and I go to shoppings. And whenever I free time, then I go to tea shops and with my friends.
Okay. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I always prefer tea.
Okay. Do you often visit tea stalls?
Every day I tea stall go once or twice a time.
And what's your favorite tea stall?
Right now my favorite tea stall is Dhaka Dhanmondi.
Can you make tea?
Yeah,
Is tea popular in your country?
most of the people like lemon tea and green tea and some people likes milk tea, but milk tea is not healthy.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I also enjoy learning English. Whenever in my free time I learn English. English is very important.
Why is English important in our life?
It is very important for us job purpose and study.
How much time do you spend learning English every day?
Most of the time in my free time I learned new book. I listen to podcasts and so on.
Do you have a speaking partner?
My speaking partner is my elder brother.
Thank you very much.